All right, guys, we're at the end now. We're on problem number 4, which is on page 360 in your textbook. This will be the last one we do like this. It'll be up to you guys to kind of fill in the gaps. Well, we'll review it in class, obviously. But I want to give you every opportunity to be as ahead of the game as possible. And I know it's a snow day, last thing we're thinking about is school. You can see Woody?
Yes.
All right. So I appreciate for those of you who have toughed it out through these examples. Hopefully this will help get you guys a little ahead of the game when we come back to school tomorrow. So the fourth question has to do with what do we do when we have more than one thing happening at once. Let's take a look at that. So number 4 says to graph f of x equals x and to graph g of x is equal to negative x plus 2. All right, now let's look at the changes. Yes? Okay. The first big change is that this has a imaginary 1 and this has an imaginary negative 1. So one change is that I've multiplied the slope by a negative 1. Slope by negative 1, that means we have a reflection on the y-axis. Remember the advice we had after the last example? You memorize the rule. You want to sit here and say hi? Okay. You're good? Okay. It's not just you guys. You having fun? Okay. The rule that we all said to memorize. Remember saying memorize, Xander?
Yes, memorize.
Memorize is that if you multiply by a negative 1, that causes a reflection over the y-axis. Now the second change is I've added a 2. So that's a vertical translation upward. So the graph has been moved up 2 units. So what I've had happen here, I've had a reflection.
You did.
I did?
You right.
I'm right, yes. A reflection over y.
You
And I moved up.
You just got X for me.
X for Xander?
Yes.
Yes,
Just that.
exactly. And I've also moved up 2 units. So let's see what these graphs look like when I put them on the same graph. So here is my axis.
Come on, buddy. You can do it.
Just x starts at the origin, has a slope of 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So here are some points. You ready for some lunch after this? Yes. Okay. So there's f of x.
Not dark out.
No, it's not dark out. Lunch is during the day. Dinner is at night. Second graph, g of x, has an intercept at negative 2. So
Dinner.
1, 2. Now you see, right when I graph it, my intercept is different. So and it's just shifting the graph up 2 units. Here's the original intercept. Here's the new intercept. So remember that rule, if you're adding or subtracting, it's shifting up and down. So there it is there. Now my slope is a negative 1, so I go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. And so there is that. That's g of x. So I've gone vertical shift of 2 and reflected on the y-axis. There are the 3 things we have to remember, guys. Changes to the slope, rotate it. Multiply by a negative 1 causes a reflection. And changes to b cause it to vertically shift or translate up and down. All right. Well, hopefully that'll help you guys when you're reviewing. We'll have a little bit of a core basic knowledge when we come back into class tomorrow. And we'll, of course, be going over these problems again. So If you have questions, if you want to email them in, there might be some time later for Xander and I to come out and work on this, right? Yes. Xander, can you wave goodbye to the camera?
Bye, Kim.
Say goodbye, Daddy students.
Bye, guys. Do it.
Have fun on your snow day.
Have a snow day.
Do the extra credit.